Okay, yes, because so many of you have written to me and my team that because of this COVID-19 situation, financially, you people have really gone through a lot of losses, and even the survival part of daily life has come, under a lot of losses and a lot of problematic situations. So what you can do, you people said that what we can do in our own houses, that can be some sort of a help to us for at least our survival aspect, because some of you have written to me. It is very sad to hear that some of you have written to me that suddenly businesses have collapsed, even kitchen wise, and even how much food to eat and how much the kitchen budget has to be there is also in a miserable situation. Okay, so this video is for all those people, even people who are doing good in their businesses and good in their finances. Even they can try this and they will find betterment in their overall financial aspect. But this is typically for the food items, your kitchen items, your kitchen budget, your everyday food items should not have any restrictions. Children should get food, your house should get proper food. This is for that. Okay, so let's get started. Now today what I have done is I have put up this table especially to demonstrate. But just remember that all these things that you've seen, I'm telling you the most simplified way, to get this done by your own self. But when we do this in a more detailed way, more energized way. I'm definitely, I know you can't energize these things yourself because you need to be trained for it. You need to know about that particular subject. But this is something that easily all the house ladies can do, even men can do, and manifest you that you're doing something for the prosperity. So let's get started. Okay, so this you can see I have taken this silver kalash. Okay, this even if you don't have a silver kalash, you can take the mud kalash, you can take the normal steel kalash, you can even take the copper kalash. Okay, any of the kalash. Okay, now since I have the silver, if you have a silver kalash, this is one of the best things you can use this. Okay, so take a silver kalash. What you need to do first is you have to create a panchamrit. Now I haven't made a panchamrit here to demonstrate. What all you consist of panchamrit? One is milk, little curd, little honey, little holy water, the Ganga water, and what else? Sugar. Okay, these are the 5 things that you mix together in a small bowl like this. Okay, and make a panchamrit. And then what you need to do is just put the panchamrit inside this kalash. Okay, and give it a bath, like just give it a bath like you give a bath to the idols, or like you do a complete bath for your idols and other puja samagris. So just give it a bath, just clean it like this. In fact, even outside you have to just take little panchamrit and just put it around the kalash, inside and outside both. Okay, once that's done, remove that panchamrit in the same bowl of yours, and then what you need to do is take this cow's ghee. Okay, clarified butter that we call it. Okay, again you need to put all of this cow ghee, clarified butter, inside and outside the kalash with your hands like this. This should be a rotation. Okay, nicely you have to just cover it up with little cow's clarified butter. Okay, once you do this, okay, keep the kalash in the puja temple of yours, the house temple, for 24 hours by lighting any ghee diya, or for that matter even the til diya. Okay, and just pray to the goddess Lakshmi. Just imagine in your mind and in your heart, manifest that we have kept this kalash and now we will fill this kalash tomorrow after 24 hours. So please be with us. This has to be your feeling, this has to be your intention. Once that's done, the next morning you will clean this kalash normally, okay, with little bit of Ganga Jal or the holy water. Clean it completely. Okay, wipe it nicely with some clean cotton cloth, okay, which should not be used before. And after that, what you need to do is bring it in the house temple, in front of the house temple. This is the cow urine, the Gaumutra that we call. Okay, put little bit of Gaumutra into this, like 4-5 drops of Gaumutra into it. Okay, now you have to follow what I'm doing. Okay, so that's why the focus has to be on the samagri that I have kept here. Okay, so put the Gaumutra like I had put. Okay, now ghee goes away. This has nothing to do with us. This goes away. Okay, now what you will do, you will put this cow dung piece The first thing is a cow dung piece inside this kalash, like this. Alright, just let it stay there. Okay, after this what you will do is you will put this rice. You will take clean rice, you will buy a new packet of rice, not the used rice that you have in the house, and put the rice inside this. Okay, like this. Now I'm not putting the whole of it, I'm just demonstrating, so I'm putting little. You have to put the whole. You have to fill the kalash with rice right till here. Okay, right till here, but keep little space because we have other things also to add into this. So put this rice into this, and while you are doing all of this, just start reciting Ma Lakshmi's mantra, any of Ma Lakshmi's mantra, or maybe a guru mantra that's maybe your guru has given you, or Ma Lakshmi's mantra in your mind and inside your conscious levels. Okay, while you're doing all this, just remember her. All right, so you put this rice into this. Then what you will do, then you will take these suparis. Okay, 5 of them, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, and 5, and you will put this inside the kalash again, and this whole process you're remembering Goddess Lakshmi. All right, then what will you do? This is turmeric. You will put little bit of turmeric in the rice, like this. Okay, this also goes in, and these are cloves. So again, 5 of the cloves. You can put 5, you can keep put 9 also. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, you put this inside this also. Then what else? This is hing. Okay, put good amount of hing into this kalash inside this. It has real good, money attraction properties. Okay, then cinnamon. I have made this powder. You can put the cinnamon stick also, but I made this into powder. Put this also inside this. Okay, then these are what? Suparis. Sorry, these are elaichis. So 5 of them. Cardamoms that you call. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, put this. Then this is the kapoor, the camphor. Okay, the pure camphor. So put a big piece of camphor inside this in the center. You have to adjust this into the center of the kalash. Okay, push it inside the rice, this kalash thing. Okay, now what? Now you have to take these bay leaves, tej patta like you call, again 5 of them. Okay, try taking full of these leaves without any, I don't know, these are sometimes torn. So once the rice is going to be filled till here, put these like this, 5 of them, 1 2, it should come like this, like in the kalash, like this it should come. Okay, put this like this. So right now for showing you, I'm just putting it like this. Fine. Once all of this is done, what else you need to do? Now you will take a red thread which is called the roli, okay, and tie it on the neck of the kalash like this, like the way I have tied it. Okay, again while tying it, you will constantly recite a mantra of Ma Lakshmi while doing this whole process. Okay, this is the itra. Now you will put this perfume itra inside this, few drops, okay, or maybe the whole bottle also, and keep reciting. Now once this is made, okay, what will you do? You will put another bowl or a plate and you will cover this up. So the leaves of your bay leaf should be out like this, 5 of them from this. You will keep it like this, okay, and now you will take a tika. This is a chandan tika. Okay, put it on the kalash like this. Okay, 3 times, 1 2 and 3. So like I can show you, this is the kind of 3, 1 2 and 3 tikas, okay, that you will put. Okay, now once all of this is done, you will pour again this cow urine, the gaumutra, in the bowl. Take a mud diya, okay, and light a diya on this katori every day, okay, and then put this kalash in front of the temple. Now every day, one more thing I forgot, you have to put 2000 rupees or 500 rupees or anything any biggest note that you have that you can afford, just put inside this. Okay, just put it inside the rice thing. And if you can put a silver coin along with it, then it's really good. If you cannot put a silver coin, that's okay, but put that money inside this. And then put this thing, light a diya every day on this. Okay, and let it be there on your house temple at least for 11 days. 11 days is the minimum time. You can also keep it for 21 days. And once this is done, you will take this whole kalash, and every day you have to do puja on this. I mean, reciting Mahalakshmi's mantra. And after 11 days, if you're keeping it for 11 days, you will take this, and wherever you keep the rice in your kitchen, okay, the rice box, you will put this whole thing, whatever it had, all these puja things, the products, you will put this whole thing inside that rice box and just let it be there, and don't let it finish. Okay, this is the key. Don't let this thing finish. Keep on adding fresh rice into your rice boxes, because this is a blessing of Goddess Annapurna, which is responsible for giving you food, prosperity, everything. Okay, so this is a simple way of making a prosperity kalash. And you can again do this maybe on Navratras, or 11 days. Again, you can start it after a while, that depends on you, but this is the starting point of it. Okay, so I'm sure this will help you, because this will help a lot of people, but with a lot of faith and with a lot of trust. It's not that you say that we will test whether this thing happens or not, because for them this will never happen. Okay, because this is really, really beneficial. People have done it. And if you want to get this done in a professional way, energized way, then of course you can contact the team for it, but otherwise you can do this yourself also. So that's about it. Next week I'll come up with another topic. Till then, goodbye.